Right, I've been looking forward to this one because I'm meeting Brendan, Hazel and Peggy. Introducing Peggy, the most famous chicken in Ireland. Peggy, I must just say, I'm a massive fan of your work. I mean, I'm starstruck, like you don't believe it, like...
Peggy can't talk, so we can do the talking.
Could you guys...
Chickens can't talk.
And chickens can't talk, generally?
What do chickens do? You go...
Well, Brendan, could you tell me a bit about Peggy, please?
When I was young with my grandmother, she always had a chicken called Peggy, so something I've always wanted was to have my own hen called Peggy, which came about a few years ago.
And is Peggy your favourite, Hazel?
Yeah,
And why is that?
because she lays beautiful eggs for me every day.
Every day. And do you like eggs?
Yeah.
Can we talk about you guys going absolutely viral on social media? How did that happen?
A couple of 100 million people, I think, have viewed Peggy across social media. We've done something kind of unique, as in set up a load of shapes and words using chicken feed. Say, put them in the outline of a heart, and all the chickens would go to this shape. And this drew a lot of attention on social media.
And what do you and Peggy like to do together?
We like to run around.
Run
Yeah.
around?
Go for walks on the beach, don't we?
Yeah.
Now, we've got a few funny looks walking on the beach with a chicken now, but
How do you take a chicken for a walk?
basically like a dog, she'll follow us wherever she goes. What does she like on the beach?
Shells.
Shells. She loves the shells because shells are very good for chickens.
Are they?
Full of calcium,
I was just
yeah.
going to ask, what do they eat?
They eat that.
They eat pellets and eat bugs and seeds, and chicken will basically eat anything. And chicken actually likes to eat meat as well, which a lot of people wouldn't know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they will eat all sorts of meat too.
And what makes a chicken the best pet ever?
People find it maybe unusual to have a pet chicken. I wouldn't at all. A chicken will make you food, and you have your own pet as well, so you're kind of the best of both worlds.
Well, thank you so much for talking to me, both Brendan and Hazel. But Peggy, thank you so much for being here. You're an absolute legend. Keep
She
doing
can't
what you're
talk
doing.
back to you.
Oh yeah, that's true. She can't talk back to me.